In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted Yahoo emails. If you accidentally trashed a message, don't stress. Most of the time it's still in your trash folder and can be brought back in just a few moments. First, open your web browser and search for Yahoo Mail. This is an easy way to get there if you don't have the page bookmarked. In the search results, click the official Yahoo Mail link. Take a quick look at the address bar to make sure you're on mail.yahoo.com so you know you're signing in safely. When the sign-in page loads, log into your account. Complete any verification prompts you see. If you manage more than one Yahoo address, confirm you're in the account where the message was deleted so you're looking in the right place. Once you're in your mailbox, locate the trash folder. On desktop, it's in the left sidebar with your other folders. If you don't see it, expand the folder list or click More to reveal it. In the Yahoo Mail app, open the menu to view folders or pull down to refresh, then tap Trash. Keep in mind that trash is cleared automatically after a limited time, so very old deleted emails might no longer be available. Inside the trash folder, select the email or emails you want to recover. On desktop, use the checkboxes next to each message. On mobile, a long press usually enables selection, and then you can tap Additional Messages. To find something specific faster, try the search bar while you're inside trash and filter by sender, subject, or keywords. You can also sort by date to surface the most recent deletions. If you're unsure, open a message to confirm it's the one you need before restoring it. With your messages selected, restore them to your inbox. On desktop, click Restore to Inbox, or choose the Move icon and select Inbox from the list. In the app, tap the Move or Folder icon and pick Inbox. You'll typically see a brief confirmation, and the messages will disappear from trash. Head back to your inbox and look for them. Restored emails usually reappear based on their original date, so sorting by newest or searching by sender can help you spot them quickly. If you moved the wrong message, just repeat the same move action to send it to the correct folder. And that's it. You searched for Yahoo Mail, signed in, opened the trash, selected what you needed, and restored the messages to your inbox. For future safety, consider archiving messages you might need later instead of deleting them, so they stay out of sight without being removed.